Hey, what is going on, guys? It's WitchTech here, and today I'm bringing you something that works in 2018 that really does surprise me. Alright, so what I'm talking about here is the iPod Touch 4th generation, and I don't know how this thing works, you know? Like, is it because I take care of my stuff, or like, how's it going here? But, now as you can see, we're looking at the time over here, you know? But, this is just the case here. And I'll just give a nice round of a view, you know what I mean? I'll turn off better lighting, you know. Alright, now that you guys got a nice look at it, I'm gonna take the case off. Alright guys, now just to prove it is an iPod 4. Gonna bring it up here. Boom, 8 GB. Got the iPod, it's blocked. I'll try to undo it. Alright, well we're not having any luck. This is the best it's going to be. So as you can see, the tiny little camera. And the power button. Got the home button. Everything's working. We got the camera. And yeah, let's just go through it a little bit. So as you can see, just go into settings. Channel. Alright. So go to About, and we'll see, just verified 8 GB. Software update. So, there is a way to get iOS 7 on this iPod 4, but I'm not going to do it. It's probably takes a lot of time. So yeah, iOS 6.1. Okay, I don't know what my phone is running right now, but I know it's a lot better than this. Yeah, so camera is a lot different on the newer ones. We got FaceTime is green, you know, doesn't look like that. Then we got Game Center, that doesn't exist anymore. Music looks different. Pretty much everything looks different. And yeah, so we got YouTube. This is a different kind, you know. Just go search up a video. Hold on. Hey, look. It's my channel. We'll just go through here. My newest video, I'll link that on the eye right now. Alright.
Hey, what is going on, guys? It's WitchTech here, and today I'm bringing you...
Alright, so, you know, it looks different. Definitely. Yeah, it's a different kind of YouTube, you know? Snapchat, I have it, but it doesn't work because it's too old. Mail is kind of discontinued. And, Maps looks different. Videos. Photos. Everything looks different. And yeah, so, I mean, I take very good care of this, I guess. You can see that there's a ton of scratches. I actually use my iPhone 5S to record. But yeah, so there are a ton of scratches on here, but it's actually because of this part of the case that slides right onto there. So yeah. Yeah, you can really see how much I've used this because, you know, most of them are like bent. You can see the wires, but this one ain't. Alright, it's perfect. So yeah, you really can't have a ton of stuff on here, but I mean, it's kind of cool to see. It still works and everything. Like, I'm gonna take a picture of this wall. Bingo. I'll take a picture here. So, boom. Done. Just like that. So we'll go here. This quality is bad. Okay? It's really bad. Look at that, okay? The phone quality, you know, the picture quality is very bad, but it's certainly doable. And, so just take a look at the App Store. Give me a second. Search up a nice Angry Birds right here, you know. Very popular game that used to be. It was a phase, you know, it was a fad. No one plays anymore, though. And look, it's not. And we got Angry Birds 2. We got Angry Birds Classic, alright? As you can see, it works. Everything. You can't slide up, though. You can't slide down. Oh, yeah, you can, but it's just not the same. You slide to the left, you can search, go to the right. Same overall design. I'm just surprised, like, Apple didn't, like, just disable these for some reason, but, yeah, so, we got this. Oh. We got this good old stuff. Oh my god, I'm failing. There we go. And that is the iPod 4. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the iPod 4 review in 2018. And I don't know how you would match this up, but it's definitely not comparable to any iPhone of this age because technology's been so advanced. And yeah, I've always been like a fan of all this stuff since I was a little kid, and it's kind of cool to see, you know, this iPod 4. It's so like old, you know, but it still works and it's great. I actually use it for an alarm clock, so I mean, it's pretty cool. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video and subscribe to the channel. You know, 4 subs strong and growing. Lots of views on the videos. I appreciate it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. As always, it's been Witch Tech here. Peace.